You ever hear a rumor? Indian-made guns will blow up on you if you use them. They should only be hung on walls. Spooky things happen because they don't come with flash holes drilled in them. Watch the next 60 rounds that I fire with this, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. What we're going to do next is take this gun all apart. We're going to take the breech plug out so you can see what that looks like, and of course take the barrel out of the stock and put it into the vise in order to get the breech plug out. Inside this barrel we fired over 100 rounds. I did not clean it the whole time. It fired fine the whole time. Did the ball get hung up at times? A little bit, yes, but all it took was a tap and it would go back down every time. I was really surprised. It worked great. Currently, quick note, the gun is clean. I lost the original footage of it being dirty before moving it to the vise. I cleaned it. It's back here. That's why it looks clean. I'm not trying to fool you guys. But you're going to see me have the barrel on the vise. You're going to see the breech plug out in its dirty state after firing it. And then you'll see after it's clean. So stick around for the next clip and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we have the barrel mounted up. Let's pull the plug off and see what it looks like. Okay, not too bad. A little dirty. All right, what do we have? What do we have? That's what we got. Doesn't look like anything happened to that JB Weld. It's hard. So for all the people that were concerned about what would happen to this JB Weld coming out or doing funny stuff, it's still hard as a rock. Tell you what, just to confirm this, I'm going to wash the barrel out because it needs a good cleaning anyway. We'll clean this up too, and we'll show you what the results are after it's clean. All right, guys, so I went ahead and cleaned the parts. I cleaned the inside of the barrel, put it back in the vise. Like I said, I did not clean this barrel for 100 rounds. And the only thing I found in the back was there was some fouling in it. I looked down the barrel. I was a little concerned, to be honest with you, as I thought it may have rusted up a pinch, but it didn't. It is smooth as can be on the inside, which is great. Like I said, I was just trying to season the barrel, and that way it would help prevent any rust in the future as well. But as far as the plug is concerned, that JB Weld, it didn't budge. It hasn't done really anything. It didn't hurt it. It's still hard as a rock. So success there. Again, for those of whom that were concerned about this, this was not to help strengthen this core. It wasn't to do anything except plug that hole. That's it. The only reason why I didn't weld it is because I didn't feel it was necessary if I could fill it with this and if this held, which it did. If this wore out, well, then we would drill it out and I could either weld it or just leave it alone. But the nice thing about putting this stuff in here and letting it harden is the touch hole is up in front of this, so the powder goes from here forward instead of down in the hole and then filling that up. So anyway, long story short, this still works fine. The gun still works fine. As far as Indian guns go, works great. If you guys get a chance, get an opportunity, go check out 11 Bang Bang. They have some great information, awesome videos on muskets that were made in India as well that they've been playing with. So this is not hearsay. This is not what somebody may think could happen. They're going to tell you exactly what they've been doing, just like I have, and the results that they've accomplished as well. Anyway, thanks again, guys, for watching. Appreciate it. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them down below. And if you're going to complain because it's not a Pedersoli, you can leave that complaint too. Again, it's America, and you have the right to your freedom of speech. This is not a Pedersoli. This is an Indian-made gun, and this is what I've accomplished with this so far. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next round.